Good morning, gurus. Welcome to 2025. I hope you have an amazing year and all your dreams come true and really successful, really abundant year. Let me know your New Year's resolutions down below. Bitcoin yesterday had a pump on New Year's. Very wild, weird pumpage happening. It's being manipulated like crazy. Bitcoin went from 91,500 to 95,000, back down to 91,000, back up to 96,500, back down to 93,000. Some weird manipulation and on low volume, which is even more weird. People saying Happy New Year in the guru chat. I already picked a winner for the Polish channel fix. It's not yet fixed. When it is, I'm going to pick another winner for another $200. So go into that X post and support that to get the Polish channel back. 3.4 trillion market cap, 973,000 viewers. Bitcoin price.live. Bitcoin again dumping. It's having little pumps from 93,400 to 94,400 and back down to 93,600 on low volume. 60K bonus with Bybit if you trade on there. Greed, we're currently in greed. 52 dominance. Funding fee positive 93,500 and Bitcoin again fading away on the new year. We're going to jump into the charts. I hope you have a beautiful New Year's and amazing resolutions and all of them come true. And I sold Tesla as well 2 days ago, and Tesla is now down about 7% since I sold it. The earnings is coming up soon for Tesla. Let's see what their delivery numbers are. But I bought it at 141 with all of you on the videos, and I sold it at 440, around 430 something. So about 200% gains, which is amazing. Congratulations, everyone, for 2024. And now I'm mainly in cash on nearly everything. I want to be mainly in cash except Guru Ventures, which is seed investing and invested in a lot of crypto projects. Mainly in cash, ready to buy the Tesla dip if there is one. And the Bitcoin dip, I've got Bitcoin trades open and Ethereum trades, but they're quite small ones. And I'm going to be building them up if we get large dips. Hit the subscribe button. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum and Tesla. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and you can see my account still quite getting hit. 980 this week from 1105 down to 980, so down about 120k this week, but still quite high from the 150k where it started, but not such a good ending to the year on my Bitcoin trades. The account high was 1.3 million, so about 320k pullback. You can see my current buys on Bitcoin, funding fee slightly in the positive. This is when I sold Bitcoin, that big trade that I have where I took a big hit on my account when I tried to buy the bottom. You can see I sold it here at 94k, 95k. Then I bought this dip down, and now we're sitting at 94k around. My Bitcoin trade 3.5 Bitcoin, still negative 973, and my Ethereum trade 321. This Bitcoin trade is 329,000, 3.5 Bitcoin. Not paying much fees on this trade actually. 30 Ethereum, which is 100,000, and I've got orders for Bitcoin at 70k, 87k, 90k, Doge at 25 cents, Doge at 22 cents, Doge 26 cents. This is about $50,000 worth of Doge. This is about about 13 Bitcoin. World, I've got at $1.90 for World, $1.90. We came down on World to a low of $2 last night, $2, and got a big bounce back, about 5% bounce back. Doge, we came to a low of 30 cents. Doge holding on really well. This is where I sold my Doge. I haven't rebought it yet. I made a post on X to rebuy it. Hundreds of you voted. Let's see what you guys said about this is the Polish channel post. I already picked one winner or two winners for $200. I picked that winner, and I picked someone else for winning as well. But I'm going to pick another winner for $200 once this Polish channel is reactivated. So go and support that post. And this was me yesterday. There's a $1,000 giveaway on Weex, everyone. Tag 3 friends, sign up to the link below with Weex. 2 winners for $500 each will be chosen on January 2nd. So jump in that promotion. Happy New Year, everyone. I wish you an amazing year. I hope you have a great upcoming year. I hope the world is peaceful, people chilling, people having fun together. I wish peace for the world. I wish abundance for the world. I wish happiness for the world. I wish you all an amazing year. And here is when I asked, this is when I bought half a Bitcoin at 94,000. Now it's got 3.5 Bitcoin. And here, should I buy $10,000 of Doge or wait right now? buy now Doge, 47% said now, 53% said wait for lower, 487 votes. I'm shocked, people super bearish, usually 80% to buy right now, only 2% left. And most of you were telling me to wait for the lows. Like, remember, teach everyone, protect your capital, which is very good advice. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And Tesla down another 3%, which since I sold it 2 days ago, I sold it on the pre-market, yesterday's pre-market. So it sold here at 430. Not yesterday, sorry. It was the first. Today is the first. Yesterday was the 31st. So I sold it on the 30th pre-market, which was here. So 430, and now we're at 431, and I sold it, and now we're at 400. So we've already dropped 6.6%, double top on Tesla. Nice place to rebuy Tesla, in my opinion. If there is a strong pullback, I'll try to get more Tesla at 300. 385 would also be a strong support, but 300 is the main support. I still have the target of 600. I already made 200% on Tesla, and I sold it all into cash. But I want to get I want to buy Tesla. I want to be defensive and buy on low dips now because the markets have pumped so hard. 300 would be a good buy area for Tesla. Congratulations, anyone who was buying it at 141 with me. I posted those buys over the last year. Bitcoin, we're in the second to third wave, probably the third to fourth corrective wave. 90K possible target, and 86K is a possible target. On the weekly charts, we are overbought still, trying to hold on. Yesterday's candle was a inverse hammer candle, which is a bearish pattern. The last week's candle. Yesterday, we're just heading down. We're trying to hold this trend line. You can see this rising broadening wedge, which is a bearish pattern, rising broadening wedge. They build pressure and they break down. So not such a good pattern, to be honest, for Bitcoin. Stochastic, very oversold though on the daily. RSI is also quite oversold. I find it funny that Sailor right now is having a 100K Bitcoin party, but Bitcoin is at 93K. It's just funny. But that could be a sign that we're not stopping so far. Stochastic heading up. We're trying to hold here, but you can see it pierce through this white trend line. So this white trend line now invalidated. I would say we have another pattern, head and shoulders, clear head and shoulders there on the 4 hourly. Shoulder, head, shoulder. If that drops off, it would not be beautiful. And also, what pattern would this? Triple bottom, but it's making a lower low, unfortunately, on that triple bottom. But say we draw out this, pattern, triple bottom but lower low, kind of forming something here, descending triangle. It's trying to find a bottom here at 92, to be honest. It's trying. Maybe it's not successful. Maybe we break down lower, but it's trying to find a bottom here at 92. If this descending kind of triangle would be a bullish pattern, that if it comes here, could break back out to 102K. And that could be happening by January 4th, which would be interesting. But the best time to go long, in my opinion, would at least be off 90K. 86 would be the best if we come that low, but 90K would be the perfect opportunity. 90K, 500, stop loss 89K, risking 1,300, and then taking it back to the highs, risking 1,300 to make 17,700. With 10x leverage, it will be 170,000. This is the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. And again, I've got this trade already set up. You can see I've got my Bitcoin trades already set to buy. So you can see here, I've got Bitcoin trades at 70K, 87, to Bitcoin at 90K. So I will pick up Bitcoin on severe drop downs. You can see, like I was doing, I bought half a Bitcoin at 91. I bought half a Bitcoin 93. I bought half a Bitcoin 92, 400. So I'm building up my position here. Let's go into Ethereum. But smaller time frames not looking too bad. Daily time frames not looking bad. Weekly time frames, it's not looking beautiful. When you look on the weekly, the stochastic turning down and rounding top a little bit. It's rounding top. But I don't think the bull market is finished. I think it's just cooled down during the holidays, and the volume has dropped off during the holidays, and then people use that to sell into it, to drop the price, to liquidate people. That's what's happening in my opinion. Let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum 3349 on the 4-hourly. The pattern did break to the downside, but it is just slightly moving sideways. But this 4-hourly pattern has broken to the downside. It is a decent, a rising triangle / slightly wedge, which is quite interesting. Easily could break to the downside. 4-hourly. On the daily, the stochastic is also oversold like Ethereum, and double bottom on the stochastic on the daily, turning up on Ethereum. On the RSI, it's still coming down. RSI still coming down. Let's go on to the daily. On the daily time frame, Crypto Guru bot is saying sell. It fired a sell. You can see when it fired a buy back here at 3,000. Fired a sell. Bitcoin indicator bot is firing a sell at before the drop at 4,000. Hasn't fired a buy yet. Where is the weekly strong supports? That's where you want to get the best trade entries. I would say the biggest support we've got is probably down here at 2,700. So if you want to get a secure trade, it's from this low supports here, 2,800. That's where I would take a safer trade. That would be the main entrance. That would be a great trade at 2,800. And then taking it all the way to bull market high, 7,800. Risk to reward in this trade would be 44 times, risking 112 per Ethereum to make $5,000 per Ethereum. With 10x leverage, it'll be 50,000. And then a riskier trade, let's go into the 4-hour, but shorter term. I would take it off this same place, 3,100, stop loss 3,000, take profit the same. Risk reward 59 times, risking 79 for 4,700 per Ethereum. Those are my posts on Ethereum, and join us also in the Telegram. There's 246 of online. No begging, guys. Anyone that's caught begging, their posts will be blocked. If they're banned, if they keep doing it, you'll be banned. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you all have an amazing year. I will pick more people for the Polish channel, but only if you keep supporting it, everyone. People discussing. A warning, James will never DM you. He won't ask you to DM him or send him money. Those are 100% always scammers. Thank you, Jesper, for always protecting the community. If someone suggests you DM them about trading info, books, materials, videos, airdrops, joining signal groups, or employment opportunities, they're scammers. Any files they offer are malicious. It's 100% true. People discussing MCRT releasing a new mod called Vault Breakers, which is cool. Check it out, people discussing, and I hope you have a beautiful New Year's, everyone. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, all of you. And all the links are down below. And this last month, I had crazy views, 260,000 views per day. So almost 5 million, almost 1 point something million views, 300, this month. So 30 times 300, almost 1 point something million views this month, which is amazing. And Weex is giving away, there's got a competition for Ducati's Gold Bar Rolex and 150,000. They're giving away, and they've got another competition right now on Weex. I partner with a lot of different exchanges and things like this to give you lots of presents. So New Year giveaway from Weex and JCG to win 1,000 USDT. Go on to X and participate. So there's that giveaway as well, which is awesome. That giveaway, the $200 Polish giveaway to rescue the Polish channel, and Weex is also giving away. There's a big competition right now for trading competition round 3 for Xmas. Happy New Year. Ducati Gold Bar Rolex for 150K. The links are down below. Bybit Exchange, Weex, $200 sign up on bonus, plus all those other bonuses available for USA, UK, Australia. Bitunix worldwide, no KYC, 5,500. And jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram, which are free. The course is not free, the Telegram is free, but the courses will save you a lot of money in the long run and make a lot, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Thank you for all your support, everyone. I'm going to pick some winners for competitions, maybe tonight if I make another video, or tomorrow. I hope you have a beautiful 2025. Make your list of what you want to achieve, your resolutions for the year. I wish they all come true if they're nice resolutions. I hope you have a great year, and I hope you work hard and work smart and achieve all your dreams and goals. Love you all. Have an amazing year, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.